So what's up, guys? Miles back with another video. I've been thinking about something, man. I've been contemplating this and trying to figure out how I'm gonna present this to you guys, because this is something that I found out that I think is very informative. I feel like I say that every video because I feel like everything that I'm saying is bringing value to somebody, because it's tangible. It's a better insight to life, and it gives you a better way of living. So you're not in delusion. You're living in the true realities of life, and you're not surprised by anything. So on this video, I want to talk about, you know, don't chase things. Let things come to you. And that's a very difficult concept to understand. It's a very hard concept for me to even articulate and to tell you how to come to that realization and how to implement that in your life. But I'm going to try to give you guys some good information right here. So don't chase, let it come to you. Drake had a song, I think it's called Georgia Interlude, where he said that line, don't chase it, let it come to you. And in life, and definitely when it comes to people in your interpersonal relationships, when you chase your friends, when you chase a girl, when you chase pretty much any human being, you really push them away, and you detract. That makes them detract from you. That makes them not want to be your friend, because you're being too pushy, you're being too desperate. It comes off as you being too desperate to the woman, being too desperate to your friends, and nobody wants to be around a desperate person. They want somebody that's, already secure in themselves, confident in themselves, that makes them want to follow them. So what makes this so hard to understand and implement is that, we're forever losing time. We're forever getting closer to death. You know what I'm saying? So it's hard to be patient in a way, and let things happen. Especially if you're like me. I hate being patient. I cannot stand to be patient. I hate the word patience. I want to become a millionaire tomorrow, just like everybody else. You know what I'm saying? Let's be real. Like, I feel like I got the work ethic. I feel like I got, everything figured out in life. But once you decompress and you look at the bigger picture, you're like, man, I don't have it together. There's a lot of stuff I don't know. It's good to have the work ethic. It's good to have the perseverance. It's good to have, the experience at a young, progressing age. But, time is, you just got to wait sometimes. I have the saying where time heals everything. And that's true. Some things you can't get over. You just get over it with a period of time. So back to what I'm saying, though. Don't chase it. Now, that doesn't mean necessarily not to pursue the woman that you like. It doesn't necessarily mean not to go out and pursue good friends, pursue good mentors. That's not what that means, just to sit back and to let things come to you. It's not that literal to where you should actually just let it happen. The thing that I found out and how I implement it is, if I see a good woman or an attractive woman, I walk up and talk to her, and I'm gauging to see how she's reacting. If she very receptive to what I'm saying, is she very dismissive? Does she want to talk to me? Is she interested in me? If she is, I will, consider and ask for the number and go through with it. If not, I will dismiss the conversation. Good talking to you. My name is such and such. I'll see you around. Same thing with friends. You know what I'm saying? I'll go up and approach a group of guys. Hey, man, what's up? What you guys doing? My name's Miles. What you do for a living? What you like doing for fun? And, we start a conversation, and, after that little time that you hang out, you're like, hey, man, if you guys if you guys ever go out again, give me a text or something like that. And, we'll hang out, we'll kick it again, man. And, it was good meeting you guys. and you leave it at that. You know what I'm saying? Especially if you text somebody and you're like, hey man, you text that person, hey, it's Miles. Y'all do anything tonight? Now, the thing is with that is that you send them a text message saying, hey, you guys doing something tonight? You know, this is Miles, or you guys doing something tonight? And then if they don't text you back, you don't double, triple, quadruple text them and blow their phone up. It is what it is. They didn't want to hang out with you for whatever reason. You got to just take the L and find somebody else. You know what I'm saying? And really what this comes down to is that you have an ability to be alone. You have an ability to do things by yourself and have fun by yourself. And once you, like, there's been times where I've gone out or I've done things and had fun by myself, and then everybody just comes over and wants to see and talk to me, all this stuff, and I just, was having fun doing my own stuff. So you have to present an aura, and you have to present an attraction for people, to make them want to get behind you or make them seem interested into you, or you really got to have a high self-esteem and a high confidence in your presentation, in your walk, your talk, how you dress, how you present yourself, how you, your tonality, how your diction, your body language. Like, pretty much everything you do has to be in line with, success or value in order to attract, things just to come to you like that. And you really have to not give a shit when you text that woman or you text those friends and they don't text you back. You just be like, hey man, I'm just gonna find somebody else to talk to. I'm just gonna find somebody else to, go out with, and if not, I can't find anybody, I'm just gonna do the shit myself and just meet people there. And that's when things tend to fall in line. If you watch the social media influencers, they'll tell you to present a social media page that is very attractive to, people in general, to make them want to follow you and all that type of stuff. Now, I can't say that I'm gonna go that route. I'm not really into social media. I really can't get into TikTok and Instagram all day. I'm a real person. I want to be in real life, doing stuff and meeting people and make connections and that have value in real life. I don't want to have a bunch of followers that I don't know personally. But everybody's different. Some of you guys want to have a good following online, and you have to present yourself, as an option or as a person that's having fun, that likes to have an exciting life, that does his own things and doesn't feel apologetic about doing their own stuff. You know what I'm saying? And you present that aura, and things will come naturally to you. People will come naturally to you, and next thing you know, you can't get people off of you. That will be your problem once you figure this concept out. So that's my video. Like, comment, subscribe. Share the video if you like the video. If you like my content, if you like my channel in general and what I'm talking about, consider donating via Cashapp, $Myleschum, links in the description below. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Myleschum. Don't chase things. Don't chase people. Be success. Have a sense of peace within yourself, and things will naturally come to you. We out.